Faster, guys. First aid kit, right here.
Listen up inside. We know that you're in there. We have the place surrounded. If you think you're in charge of this situation, think again.
I placed the first aid kit here.
Bad news, people. There's a police assault coming in about 30 seconds.
We're going in.
First aid kit,
20
right here.
seconds.
Believe me when I say we will not give up.
Any second now. Good work. All right, next ingredient. I'm going with hydrogen chloride. It's supposed to be caustic soda. I'm 68% sure.
This is the last time, okay?
Kill this kid! Halfway I can see him, motherfucker! Get down! Cuff yourself!
So, next step is muriatic acid. You got some of that somewhere?
Taser! Got the taser! It's no more!
Try to surrender.
Enemy medic! Ubia!
If I read this correctly, I'm going with hydrogen chloride. That should get it on.
Kill the shield! Drop it!
If I read this correctly, caustic soda. What's the worst that can happen, right? Caustic soda. If my guesses are correct,
Fucking go then!
now we need, we'll go with muriatic acid.
Rasbios and steel!
Wait a second. That should have been caustic soda. I'm 93% sure. Bunch of gladiators is what you are. Now, don't lose your advantage, guys. Oh, damn! Another police assault. Hang tight. Cops are coming in 30.
Medic coming through.
Hey, listen up. We got another police assault team coming in about 20 seconds.
A bulldozer!
Police assault in 10. Assault in 10. Watch yourself.
Got the little bastard nervous
What's
bastard!
next? Muriatic acid. And cross your fingers.
No more!
Okay, what comes after that? We'll go with hydrogen chloride. I'm sure. I'm pretty sure.
Big guy coming! Those are killed! Shield down! Taser's pocket! Got the taser! Joker killed! Kill the taser! Bulldozer!
So, next step is hydrogen chloride. These internet descriptions are easy at best.
Fucking dozer!
Now we need hydrogen chloride. Let's get on.
Dozer down! Drop it!
Okay, what's next? We'll go with the hydrogen chloride.
Enemy medic! Ubia!
Let's get the process going.
It's no more! Here's the first aid kit!
All right, let's see. Chloride. Hydrogen chloride. I'm 91% sure. Hold on. Hydrogen chloride. Let's get it on.
First aid kit here!
All right, let's see. Caustic soda. Hold up. Yeah, it's chloride. Hydrogen chloride. I'm sure. I'm pretty sure. They're not done yet, guys. There's another police assault incoming in 30.
Got the shield.
Finish whatever you're doing. You got a police assault incoming in 20 seconds. Hey, 10 seconds till the next assault. You got this. Hold on. Hydrogen chloride. That should get the process going.
Drop your gun! Taser!
Now we
Taser on!
need hydrogen chloride. Find some and pour it in. If I read this correctly, it's hydrogen chloride. I'm 84% sure.
Shoot down! Drop
Now
it!
we need hydrogen chloride. For sure. Or most likely. If I read this correctly, I'm going with caustic soda. Wait a minute, that should have been hydrogen chloride. Go for it. If I read this correctly, hydrogen chloride. Yeah.
Eat this!
Now we need, chloride. Hydrogen chloride.
Give me that back!
Unless I've missed something.
Yeah!
Okay, what's next? Hydrogen chloride. This website better be accurate.
Here's the first aid kit!
So, next step is, we'll go with the hydrogen chloride. That should get it on.
Got the little bastard!
Alright, next ingredient. We'll go with caustic soda. Hold it. You didn't put it in yet, right? With method of elimination, it has to be hydrogen chloride. That's my best guess. I'm going with muriatic acid. Strike that. Well, you got a decent amount. Just about covers the gas money. Maybe next time we can push it further.